Video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Apify with n8n so you can run web scraping actors automatically inside your workflows. By the end, you'll be able to collect website data and pass it straight into your automations without leaving n8n. First, open Apify in your browser and create an account. After you log in, you'll land on the Apify dashboard. This is where you manage everything related to scraping. Actors, which are scripts that automatically collect data from websites. Runs, which are the executions of those actors. Data sets where results are stored. And integrations. Take a moment to click around so you know where things live. Next, you need your Apify API token so n8n can talk to your account. In Apify, open Settings, then go to API and Integrations. Find API tokens and copy your default API token. Treat this like a password. Don't share it publicly and store it securely. Now switch to n8n and create a new workflow. Add a manual trigger node. This lets you run the workflow on demand while you're testing, which is perfect for getting everything set up before you automate it. Add an HTTP request node. This node will call the Apify API to start an actor. Set the method to POST. For the URL, paste the Apify Actor Run API endpoint. You can grab this from the actors page in Apify or from the API documentation. If your actor requires input, you can add it to the request body in JSON format so the actor knows what to scrape. In that same HTTP request node, add an authorization header. Set the header name to authorization, and for the value, use the bearer format, followed by your API token. This is what authenticates n8n with Apify. When this workflow runs, the HTTP request node will trigger an actor in Apify. Actors can be anything from a Google Maps scraper to an Instagram scraper, an Amazon product scraper, or a general website crawler, depending on your use case. After the actor finishes, Apify saves the results to a dataset. Add another HTTP request node to your workflow. Paste the Apify dataset API endpoint so n8n can fetch the results. The data will come back in JSON, which is easy to parse and route inside n8n. If the dataset isn't ready immediately, give the run a moment to complete before fetching. With the data in n8n, you can connect additional nodes to send it to Google Sheets, store it in a database, trigger notifications, or even process it with AI. Your basic flow is simple. Start with a manual trigger. Run an Apify actor via HTTP request. Retrieve the dataset with another HTTP request. Process the results, and send them wherever they need to go. Save your workflow, run a test, and you're set to build fully automated scraping pipelines.